This is how to back up Entra ID. From your Microsoft Entra Admin Center, go to Entra ID, select Users, and choose the user you want to back up, or you can select all. Then click Download Users and click Start Download. And you can click here to view the status. And you can click the exported file. Then click Download Results. You can also do that on groups. Just select the group and click Download Groups. Click Start Download and click here. Then let's go back to Groups. Select Bulk Operation Results and click the file name and click Download Results. And this will create backup. So this is how to back up Entra ID.